Boost metabolism for weight loss to remove fat effortlessly. Yes, today you will learn that burning body fat can be made effortless. All it takes is a proper understanding of how metabolism works. The basics. Metabolism is the rate at which the body burns calories, and this rate varies. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it isn't. Proven fact about metabolism and weight loss is this: more calories coming in that you cannot burn equals weight gain. Burning more than what you eat equals weight loss. So when you find that it's hard to stick to a diet or it's hard to lose weight through exercise, it's time you look at your metabolism. There are lots of factors affecting our metabolism, and the three major ones are 1. Genetics, 2. Age, 3. Lifestyle. Your body chemistry will depend on your genes. So if you inherit genes that express a slower than average metabolism, that would explain why your build is stocky and you tend to gain weight fast when you eat carbohydrates. And there's nothing wrong with that. You can work on it by having the right understanding of how your body operates. Age also determines one's metabolic rate, which is why our build changes over time. Seniors will find it harder to gain muscles, unlike how they used to in their 20s. But out of the three major factors, our lifestyle is what we can control. This includes diet and exercise. The following are three simple changes we can make to help our metabolism burn fat continually. The first one is exercise. The best exercise is high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Think of this as cardio but with an interesting interval. Cardio can be in many forms such as running, and this is a favorite exercise among fat burners. But there is a difference between regular cardio or steady-paced running and sprinting, which is HIIT. According to studies, sprinting helps boost metabolism, causing the body to become leaner by burning more body fat in the hours following the workout. This is because when you do your HIIT workout, you do quick bursts of physical activities followed by a minute of rest, allowing you to catch your breath, raise your heart rate, and increase the body's demand for oxygen. Your cells start to work faster to make energy for you to sustain your activity. This is how calories from the food you eat get used up. And even after your training is done, your metabolism continues this pattern for the next 36 hours. This means your body continues to burn extra calories even while you sleep. Try this after watching this video. Do some running warm-ups, and when you're ready, sprint for 30 seconds. After the time is up, rest for 1 minute. Do 10 reps of this and you'll feel amazing afterward. Don't forget to breathe, because this is very important for your metabolism. You'll notice how breathing will make you feel energized for the rest of the workout. That's how HIIT works. It's the workout that leaves you breathless but feeling so much better when you complete it. The next element of your lifestyle will be about nutrition. Regular exercise combined with eating right results in weight loss and healthy metabolism. But eating right is more complicated than what we think it is. Lots of diet plans are out there, and most of them advocate the so-called starvation diet, wherein you will consume very little calories so that your body goes into starvation mode. This can be harmful because proper nutrition calls for a certain amount of calories daily, and your energy depends on that amount. Do not go on a diet that's nutritionally deficient. Keeping a balanced diet is still the best option. Consume the right amount of calories for your age, sex, and size through a well-balanced and nutritious diet. Before we go to the last item on our list, if you're enjoying this video so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos, and click the bell icon for notifications every time we upload a new video. Lastly, drink plenty of water. Cells are mostly water, and all the amazing processes they do in our bodies every minute are made possible because we hydrate. Dehydration affects many aspects of our health, and metabolism is no exception. So when you're thirsty, especially when the weather is warm or you've been doing a lot of physical activities, quench your thirst until you're satisfied. Your body will thank you. Food also plays a part in hydration. Soups, broth, vegetables, and fruits all provide water to our bodies. They're also pretty good at making us feel full, which prevents overeating. Another simple way to stay hydrated is to reach for plain water instead of soda or juice. There we have it, exercise and diet. Improvements in lifestyle affect every bit of our body, including a special protein called AMPK. This protein can be inactive, and this is why we are going to activate your AMPK. It is the key to the body's metabolism of nutrients, particularly carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are a fuel source for the body, but some of us tend to gain weight when consuming moderate amounts of carbs. What we want is for the body to process carbs into sugar and sugar into energy, not turn them into body fat. Some of us also get less AMPK activity as we age, so knowing what activates this protein is important. to stay healthy and fit throughout the years. Recently, discoveries were made regarding this protein. One of the case studies was about a village in Ecuador. Researchers have found that their metabolism stays fast even as they age because of their active countryside lifestyle. This research inspired the creation of CarboFix. CarboFix is a supplement designed to help AMPK stay active with continued use. It is an excellent way to prevent the decline of AMPK activity, allowing your body to maintain a good metabolism of carbs. Learn more about this supplement and the fascinating story of its discovery in Ecuador using the link provided in the description below. There are many ways to look after your metabolism, and these 3 are the major ones. They'll never fail you as long as you stay consistent with eating right, drinking enough water, and exercising regularly. Check out our other videos about how to improve your health, lose weight, and feel a whole lot better. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever new videos are uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day!